Good morning, everyone. We are from Elysium Groups of Companies. We are having the department of Elysium Pro and Click My Project. Conducting the seminar. Mm, Thank you so much for all for joining the session. The session will be under the project guidance with career development. Myself, Mr. MK Vairav Pandian. I am the team leader and technical developer and trainer lead in Elysium Pro and CMP. So, we are giving the project guidance with career development program. We are proudly say about it. About us. Elysium Groups of Company has its global presence and dominance in IT and ITES industry. We are humble beginning in 1999. We are having 13 major companies and it has become a group. Now only we are opening the office in Texas also recently. The group involved and committed towards the social networking community relationship also. About Elysium Pro and ClickMe project. We are giving the project training and development division since 1999. We are giving the development training for the past 23 years. We are expertise in project training and documentation to the students for the past 22 years have always been on rise. We have an international training center across the world in more than 63 countries such as UK, USA, France, Canada, Japan, China, Singapore, Germany, Spain, Switzerland, Australia, South Africa, New Zealand and Saudi Arabia and so on. These are all the companies that they 13 major companies. One is Elysium Technologies. Elysium Technologies is a data science company, and PhD IZON is a professional guidance for the PhD scholars. Elysium Pro supporting the students for their final year projects through live. EIBS is a service based company. They service web pages, real time process like that. Elysium Skill providing so much of government related training sessions. Elysium Academy, Embedded School, SEO Business, Elysium Communication, Cayman. Click My Project and My Project Bazaar is a company which is providing the final year project support throughout the world through e-commerce. Elysium Foundation, and we are also we are having a food industry also, that is called Akshay Patra Foods. Our vision. Vision is ultimate destination. What is ultimate destination means? You have to be ultimate destination for the engineering projects and all academic and strategic planning of resource technology and creativity. Next, our ultimate vision. Advanced guidance. We are giving the quality project report and document guidance for the final year students with the project support. We provide the advanced guidance. Anybody of them guide like this. We are providing so much of guidance for these students with such a wonderful and research projects for their final year presentations. We are having a more than 2600 science journals. Next, career development. Career and career development. First, what is meant by career? Career in Oxford Dictionary, they give the meaning of a career as a person, course or progress through life. What are the courses and what are the progresses in our life? It mentioned as our career. It also pertains occupational or professional that usually involves special training and formal educations to become a personal life work. Okay. Career development means is an ongoing process of gaining knowledge. While we are gaining the knowledge or improving our own skill with the help of some individual or establishing career plan, means that is called career development. Who are responsible for this career development or career growth? Students themselves, parents, most of them, or society. What then we do for that? While select a career, everybody have a unique things. Okay. so like fingerprint. So you have to analyze, or you have to mm, swat your unique things to find that what you are apt for the career. So we are born only once, okay? So we spend 40 more years on our work. So total over 8,000 hours we work. So now ask yourself how you will spend these 80,000 hours before you die. So this is the main thing. So then how to making a decision about your career means there are four main points. One is self assessment, then explore, then experience, then take action. So you have to make a self assessment of yourself to find what you have a unique idea about you. Then you have to explore based on that, and you have to experience based on that. Then afterwards finally you have to take action and move to the career path. So this is the project. The final year project is one of the thing which is helpful for your career. So you have to take correct and worth project for your final year presentation. Then project guidance. So on the project guidance, I need to clarify three things with you. So on this, what is project and why we need to do it. So then what is domain and what is platform. Project, what is project? So project is if we identify the problem, define a problem, and we have to identify the solution for the problem, and we work on it. This is called projects, okay? So why we need to do it? So we are not do the projects for only for the academic mark or academic degree. So you have to mind yourself, and you have to set your mind. We need to do project for our academic research and also for our career path. So what is domain and platform? Platform is nothing but it is a languages what we choosing and what we are going to learn. So domain, under the platforms there are so much of domains are there. So you have to choose the correct platform and correct domain and proceed. After that you have to proceed your pathway to present your projects. So then platforms. What are the platforms we provided for the final year students? One is Java, Python, PHP and .NET. So in Java there are so much of domains are there. These are the domains which is very important and trending domains. One is cloud computing, data mining, security, big data and IoT. First we have to see what is data mining. So the data mining is a phases or step-based process. First you have to define the problem, then you have to identify the required data, then prepare and pre-process the data and model the data, train and test and verify and deploy. So this is the process, basic process to proceed the data mining concepts. So data mining is nothing but it is under the statistics, artificial intelligence and combination of machine learning techniques. So this is called data mining. So for example, this is a example pattern to predict or analyze the data. So this is the one of the sample flow of the project. First you have to select the data, then you have to target the data, then you have to pre-processing it. So then you have to transform the data into structure, unstructured into structure. Then you have to apply the model, suitable model for your data analysis, and you have to finally interpretation the evaluation. So then big data. So what is big data? So it is the big data is one of the thing which is developed under the concept of data mining only. So in big data we are taking the large amount of data that is called millions of data. So from the data we have to introduce a one important server in this, that is called Hadoop server. So we load that large amount of data into the Hadoop server. So then after map and reduce the data. So you have to map and reduce the information and processing the data mined, and you have to implement the correct model on this. So this is one example or one reference flow of the project for big data analysis. So first you have to collect the data and you have to store it in the Hadoop server. Then you have to map and reduce it based on the data cleaning. After data cleaning, data cleansing, have to report generator and you have to dimension aggregation. Then data sampling and feature extraction is over there. After that you have to split the data into the partitioning, that is called testing data and training data. First you have to create a model for that. First on that model you have to fit the training data. After you have to get the result for the training data, then you have to move to the testing data to fit in the model. So finally you are getting the deep based on the deep analysis you are getting the result. So cloud, everybody know about the cloud. It's a secure storage tool. Okay, so on the cloud there are three services are available. One is software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. So this is actually the cloud means the on-demand self-service, resource pooling, broad network access, rapid elasticity, so and measure services. So cloud computing is actually a virtual storage. So this is enabling the access to resource like computer network, servers, storage, application and services. So projects for such system as cloud security project, cloud optimization system and other cloud based application. So this is the example flow of this. So everybody knows we have to upload some data into the cloud, and on another side we have to download it. We know that upload and download only. So in between the upload and downloading there is a buffering process, no? So there is a process. What are the process between the sender and the recipient? So we are going to process that as our projects. So if there is one sender and one recipient, from the sender will send one message or one secret message to recipient, means they simply send the plain text. So in between that the encryption will be up here. So encryption means we have to convert the plain text into ciphertext. So using such algorithms like AES, DES, Blowfish, these are all the cryptographical algorithm, so which is used for encrypting the data before transferring. So the so after encryption the data will be sending, it reaches the recipient. On before that there is a decryption process will be appear. So the decryption process is nothing but the ciphertext to plain text. So using the private key only the decryption will be appeared. So next concept is called IoT. So Internet of Things. I have to reduce the main concept of IoT is to reduce the manpower. So we have to convert a machine like a human, behave like a human. So then main concept is called Python. So main Python in the Python we are providing the domain called data mining, that is called data analysis. So image processing, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning and AI. So first we have to see what is AI. So inside the AI there is ML and DL will be appear. So artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a technique which enables a machine to minimize the human behavior. We have to minimize the human manpower and we have to integrate the human manpower into a machine. So for that we are using a subset called ML. So ML is one of the subset of artificial intelligence. It is a method, statistical method to enable a machine to improve with their experience. So then deep learning. So deep learning is a subset of machine learning. It is a multiple layer neural network feasible regions. Then this is the one of the machine learning flow. First you have to, in machine learning there are supervised and unsupervised training sets are there. So if you have a new data, then you have to move to the future extraction of the data. Then you apply the machine learning model based on the machine learning model. So if it is unsupervised means grouping of object, if it is supervised means we have to predict the model. So finally we get the result. So then deep learning, there is unsupervised method is only available. So we have having a new data means future extraction and grouping of object will be there. So then deep learning algorithm will be applied. After that we are getting the result based on the deep learning model. So then we are also providing application process also based on .NET and PHP. So in .NET we are providing the projects on C#, .NET, VB.NET as a window application, ASP.NET at web application and websites. So in .NET there are two domains will be possible to develop. One is cloud computing and data mining. So PHP. So PHP is actually to develop a static website or dynamic website or web applications. For example, projects for such system as e-commerce or management websites or other website based applications, we are providing a PHP script language also. So then software requirements for all the things. So Java frontend is NetBeans and backend will be a MySQL. The MySQL will be in the local server called WAM server. So Python frontend will be Anaconda Navigator. In Anaconda Navigator we develop the code in Spider IDE. For .NET frontend is Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Ultimate and backend is Microsoft SQL Server 2008. For PHP frontend is Dreamweaver, backend is WAM server. So then this is the main 5 key points before you are going to do a project. This is the needed to do projects. Okay, so these are all the 5 steps which is very important. You have to please listen. Okay, the step 1. So what is step 1? So gathering knowledge about the concept. You find one problem and for the problem you are going to give one solution. Okay, so for the problem you have to gathering the information about the problem, what you are going to do, what we are going to implement. Based on that you are gathering the knowledge about the concept. So then planning how to execute the process. In that, after you gathering the information and knowledge about the concept, then you have to plan how to execute the process. For that you have to draw one flow for the problem what we find and what we collect the information about the problem. We make one flow for that. So then step 3, choose the right algorithm. So choose the right algorithm means you have to define a problem, then you have to identify the problem, then you have to plan and you make the plan as a flow. So on that region you have to find which suitable model or suitable algorithm will be provide a good result or efficient result for this ultimate problem. So our ultimate aim is what? If we take one problem is we have to find the solutions for that solution, that is called result. For that ultimate result we have to implement which algorithm for the suitable algorithm for the problem. So then you have to programming and validation, then finally presentation or final execution. So these are all the major 5 steps you have to need to do projects. So understand this. So then gathering knowledge about the projects, and this is the planning how to execute. So input, model, parameter selection, design parameter and function, solving problems. If it is okay means plot the output, stop. If you have any question means please ask. If you have any question about the session for your project or any other thing, so thank you. So then if you need a project means please kindly contact info@lsmpro.in or info@clickmyproject.in. So thank you so much for this. Thank you for participating in this program. Thank you so much. Thank you for your cooperation. So and finally, thanks for my company to giving this opportunity to present in front of you all. Thank you so much.